Bukit Timah Nature Reserve, Singapore's largest surviving primary tropical rainforest. A natural treasure so precious, but so misused. In the early days, it was a remote and forgotten hill. From the 1800s till the 1900s, gambia, pepper, gutta percha, and rubber plantations and even dairy farming ravaged the foothills of Bukit Timah Hill. In the 20th century, Bukit Timah Nature Reserve faced encroachment of an urban kind. It was cut away from its larger hinterland, Central Catchment Nature Reserve in 1986 by the building of the Bukit Timah Expressway. At the same time, new residences and roads are springing up all around it. However, the biodiversity of Bukit Timah was not unappreciated. In 1854, the great evolutionary naturalist Alfred Russel Wallace collected nearly 700 species of beetle at Bukit Timah just within 2 months. Some of his greatest finds were 130 distinct species of longhorn beetles. Indeed, Bukit Timah Nature Reserve is a national and biological treasure, which supports more than 32,000 species of forest life, including approximately 1,200 species of plant, 23 species of amphibian, 46 species of reptile, 28 species of mammal, 110 species of bird, and possibly more than 30,000 species of insect. Though very rich, Bukit Timah Nature Reserve is being loved to death by high visitorship. The trampling of forest trails by thousands of people compact the soil and widens paths, leading to soil erosion and even slope failure. High visitorship increases human-animal interaction. Visitors feed the animals, thereby altering their natural feeding behavior. Many long-tailed macaques end up along the roads waiting for human handouts. The unlucky ones get hit or run over by cars. Humans also impact the nature reserves by releasing and bringing in domesticated and non-native animals like dogs. As a result, our native animals are being displaced and harmed. The last banded leaf monkey in Bukit Timah Nature Reserve was mauled to death by dogs. Not all is lost. The development of Hindhead Nature Park in 2000 and Dairy Farm Nature Park in 2009 act as important recreational and biological buffer zones between urban areas and Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. In addition, they are important channels for schools to learn more about our fragile natural heritage. Although we have destroyed much of Bukit Timah's original forest and lost many species through past developments, we can do our part to ensure that remaining species continue to thrive in this forest for generations to come.